Good morning, class. Wanted to let you guys know that the discussion board 5 is up and graded. Good work. I can see that there continues to be improvement, which is really a great sign. So I really appreciate you guys working hard on those discussion boards. Especially these last couple have been a little bit more. I don't know if they're more difficult, but they have a lot more parts to them and deal with some academic or critical issues revolving around each of the letters. So I hope that it's been helpful for you. This week, obviously we have a quiz, and so that is challenging. Hopefully, as you have two quizzes under your belt, you'll be a little bit better aware of how you can study. Again, a lot of the material is the reading, and so you got to read through a lot of that stuff, go over the videos, but just make sure that you know those basic facts concerning the letters, and especially over the past couple of weeks. So just study really hard, do your best, and I'm sure you'll do fine. Also, the discussion board this week is, there's only 2 questions, so you got to do both of them. Although the first one you get to pick 2 of the prison epistles of Paul and write on them. Make sure you write on each part of the question and do so thoroughly. Again, I can't emphasize. I know I try to emphasize this every week, but it's important that you do have your 2 citations per reply, and also 5 citations for your original threads. So make sure you cite your sources. Go to the writing manual, the style manual at Liberty if you need some help on how to cite your sources properly. The Bible doesn't count as a source. In fact, you can refer to the Bible in a parenthetical note. You don't need to footnote the Bible reference. But do want to see footnotes. Start using footnotes. Some of the students still are not, and it's better that you begin to do that now, so that when the papers due, you'll have a really good handle on how to do footnotes. Of course, with the paper, you also have bibliography, and again, want to make sure that you guys are starting to do the research for the paper, and even start writing, maybe outlining a little bit. Taking notes, whatever the case might be. But like I said, that's a major part of your grade for this term, almost 1/4. So make sure that you do the best you can on that paper, and so it's going to demand some time. So I hope that you've done your research and you've begun writing. Make sure you look over the instructions for the paper. It's really clearly lined out what is expected in terms of material and content for the paper in the instructions. So go over that. Make sure you have the title page correct, and if you're going to do the table of contents, all that type of stuff. So check the proper format for all of those things. Very, very important. Hope you guys have a great week. Again, I'm always available if you need help, and if any questions come up, just get a hold of me. I'll be more than happy to help in any way that I can. So I hope that you guys have a great week, and God bless.